Hi all of you, I hope you guys are great. My name is Daulat Hussain and I know right this moment you guys are very busy making your New Year resolution, that what are the things you're going to do in 2020. So that's what I'm going to talk about in today's video, because I know one of the resolution you have to be fit in 2020. So before you start making your fitness plan, that what you're going to do exactly for keeping yourself healthy and active, no matter what goal you have, whether you want to lose weight, whether you want to gain muscle, whether you want to maintain your muscles. So what are the key components you have to focus when you start making your new resolutions? So that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So I hope you will have a better understanding once you watch this video till the end, and after watching this video you will have a complete understanding that how you have to make your plan for your workout, for your nutritions. That's what I'm going to cover right in this video. The one thing I want to make it very clear, before you start proceeding and start making plan for your workout, for your nutritions, first you have to understand that where you are right this moment, what position you hold in the fitness journey which you want to accomplish, where you are right this moment. First and the foremost thing you can do is to check your BMI, that what is your BMI. Once you know your BMI, then you can able to plan that how much calorie you have to take throughout your entire day or throughout your entire month, whatever goal you have. For example, if you want to gain your muscle mass, so for that, what calorie you going to take? If you want to maintain your muscle mass, then what calorie you going to take, what protein you have to take, what fat you have to take. And if you want to cut down, if your resolution is to cut down your weight, then what calorie intake, food intake, protein intake, fat intake you're going to consume throughout your entire periods. Because once you know the BMI, then you have a complete understanding that what is my exact carbohydrates or carbs I have to consume in one particular meal, what amount of fat I have to take like in my entire day, what to make you understand this entire concept, that how this macronutrient work and how you can figure it out with the help of BMI. Once you calculate your BMI, then you will have a proper understanding that what amount of calories, what amount of fat, what amount of protein you have to consume every single day to do normal functioning. Here I'm not talking about workout, hardcore workout. I just want to talk about the how much calorie you need to do normal activity, to provide all those important nutrients which actually your body required to do proper functioning. So let's take an example. Just imagine that a person having 70 kg weight and his height is 5.10. So according to his BMI, what amount of calorie he has to consume, what amount of fat he has to consume, what amount of protein he has to consume. So if you calculate his weight and height through BMI, or if you know the formula, you can calculate it on the paper, but there are a bunch of tools on the internet, you can easily do it, or I will link that a tool which I have on my website in the description, so you can click on that and you can find the tool and you can calculate your BMI. So let's come to the topic. So according to his height and weight, what amount of calorie he has to consume? So I have done the research and this is the result which I have found. Like according to his height and weight, he has to consume 280 grams of calories, close to 160 grams of protein and 15 grams of fat. That man has to consume every single day for doing normal activity. Whether that man is sleeping in the hospital doing nothing, but his body required that amount of macronutrients to keep him alive, to maintain his body mass. Neither he will grow nor he will decrease his size, but he will maintain. But if you want to grow, you have to surplus your carbs, you have to surplus your protein intake, fat intake. But how you can measure that surplus? The only if you have the understanding that how the BMI works, what is your actual BMI. So I must recommend you to know your BMI. Once you have the complete understanding that how your micro or macronutrients required to your body, because everybody is different from one another. Whatever a person is recommending to you, it's not going to support you, because you have a different body. Your activity is different. So according to that, you have to find it out that what is your BMI and what amount of nutrient you actually want to consume to keep yourself active. Or if you want to grow, you can increase it. As I told you that you can surplus all the calories, protein or fat. Or if you want to maintain, just keep it on idle, whatever you get from the BMI once you calculate it on the paper, or maybe you can use the tool which I have I will provide you in the link. So once you have the understanding that okay, this is my actual BMI which I want to take for maintenance, and if you want to cut it down, just simply decrease your calorie intake slightly. Once you decrease the maintenance to a little downward, automatically you're going to lose weight. So this is how the entire funda work. So I hope you have the complete understanding that how you can take the benefit of BMI. It's not about working all the time. Working out with intelligence will increase your efficiency and give you better results. So focus on intelligence, not go and blind-handed and just do workout. You have to give your work on the kitchen, preparing your food, know what is actually required. If you are a guy like me, working 7 days a week, but if you don't focus on your nutrition, you will get nowhere. So you have to maintain your nutrition level, because that is the most important part. So I just want you to keep this in mind when you making your New Year resolution plan about your health and fitness. Just try to focus on the nutrition and calculate your BMI. I will link all the tools which actually required. That I will link the tool for the water intake, that how much water you have to take as per seasonality. Like, is it winter right now, so how much water you have to consume in the winter. In summer, how much you have to consume. I will also link about the calorie calculator, so you can easily able to calculate your calorie intake as per your height and weight and activity level. I will also link that the fat calculator. So all the calculator, health calculator, I'm going to link in the description, so you can check from your end, know your actual BMI, fat calculate, fat intake, calorie intakes, everything you can able to know about that, and that will help you to keep yourself knowledgeable, and then you can able to make your better plan, better nutrition guide for yourself. So I hope you have found this video valuable. If you have any questions, any doubt regarding nutrition and workout or anything like that, just leave that in the comment section. I would love to help you in that. So I hope this is the thing which you're going to include in your New Year resolution. I know it's going to be on the top list of the things which you want to do in 2020. So just start with smartly, don't start with blindly. That's I just want to highlight here. So see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.